Welcome to our today's feature presentation, Algorithmic ETF Trading. Do you like to invest in industry sectors like technology, energy, or indexes like the S&P 500, the Nasdaq 100? Then we have a tool for you, our newly developed Impulse Long-Short Price Move Indicator. Well, a long word here, but it says what it does. It helps you to form sound decisions at crucial price turning points. Let us get into the details and I show you on charts how it's going to work for you. Trading and investing in ETFs offers you the advantage of immediate diversification. Instead of focusing on a single stock, you have a variety of stocks in a sector or even in an index where you look at 100 or 500 stocks that you can acquire with one purchase, and you can sell them on the exchange traded fund. They are traded on an exchange, and with that offer you the advantage of diversification like a mutual fund with the flexibility of being traded like a stock on an exchange. The market offers a vast variety of ETFs, coming from stock market indexes like the SPY or the QQQ, going to currencies where you can trade the euro to the dollar, materials related to gold, silver or other precious metals, inverse ETFs, so that go up when the market goes down, leveraged, so that means it has a multiplier behind it, leverages your investment, and you have regions or countries where you can focus on like the DAX or international investments or industry sectors like technology, energy, consumer discretionary. All of that is available, and we want to help you with that presentation and with our offering to select the ones that are ready for a price move. And we are looking usually at ETFs with a daily volume above 2 million. That's important because then you have the flexibility so that an exchange goes quick. And we look at a solid options chain because we want to offer you also the advantage that you can leverage your investment with limited risk and that you can participate in down moves of the ETF or the sector so it happens. With a wide variety of investment decisions, we want to help you to specify where to invest. Yeah? Do not invest where you think that prices move. That's important. The market will tell, and we say let the chart tell when to buy or sell, because we want to entertain trades in both directions with the ETFs. And with that, we developed an indicator package that helps you to select crucial price turning points, but also will teach you strategies so that you can participate leverage to the upside and to the downside always with limited risk to your account and doable from every account, even from an IRA. In summary, we offer you the following. Find ETFs with a price move potential. That's what the indicators are here for. Limit the risk and leverage the reward. Yeah, so that you can yield a solid return and you know in advance of your investment what that return shall be, and also you know the risk. And we only act if risk and reward are in a meaningful relation. My name is Thomas Sparman. I'm your presenter here today, and I want to make you aware of the risk in trading and investing, and that I'm here as a trader and educator, not as a broker, dealer or financial advisor. A little side note, the word never lost trading does not imply to never lose a trade. It's a concept for trade repair, and never stop loss trading was a little bit lengthy. We are an algorithmic trading house. We focus on high probability trading, and we'll share some of these examples today here in this presentation with you, so stay on. This is our newest invention, the never lost trading Impulse Long-Short Indicator. Long word, I know, but look what it says. At every instance, it spells out an opportunity where it says go long or short in the underlying and when to enter, so you have a clear price threshold, when to enter into the trade, and it also tells you how far your price move shall lead for exit. So everything at one prime point right at the chart. What's that to do with algorithmic tradings? Our algos look at underlying changes in supply and demand. And so the algos detect when money starts to go out of one sector into another, goes into a buying mode or a selling mode, and the new indicator looks at underlying changes of volatility. Yeah? When a volatility change occurs, it's like when you compress a spring, then it gets ready to bounce in one or the other direction, and this is what our indicator measures and puts on the chart for you. So with the help of our chart and indicator, we want to go and look at crucial price turning points when money comes in or goes out of an ETF, and we specify the entries, the exits, and the system will spell out long or short, yeah, going to the upside or going to the downside. And you will know strategies when working with us that you can even do that from an IRA. Why do I say that? IRAs do not allow to short stocks or ETFs. ETFs are treated like a stock, and with that, shorting a stock is impossible in an IRA. However, with the right option strategy, you can participate in a downside move too. 85% of all ETF investments are institutional driven. With that, we find sector rotations. An example, money leaving technology, entering energy, buying into metals, or exiting bonds. And we want to help you with our indicators and chart to find those crucial price turning points. Now you know the reason why we say let the chart tell when to buy or sell. With the help of our indicator, and you see here a combination of tradecolors.com and a new Never Loss Trading Impulse Long Short indicator, showing you crucial price turning points. Yeah, you saw here sell orders came through, and here was the price direction indicated, and buy orders came through, and the price direction was multiple times indicated through our new indicator. And we'll help you now with more precise examples, and we'll go through different sectors and industry indexes. Let us start with a stock market example. It combines the new indicator, which is here colored green, with tradecolors.com. It is also available together with all other Never Loss trading systems. So what it does, it finds a specific situation where we say, okay, there's a crucial price turning point, and it spells out price thresholds. I'm going to magnify that in a moment for you. Yeah, so here, Trade Colors makes downside moves in red and upside moves in blue. And you saw here two crucial price turning points. That's also important. With that indicator, we intend not for you to daily swap your entire portfolio, but to know when things are crucial and when you can act. Imagine here in September, you had known to go short with the S&P 500. You could have harvested a nice profit into the beginning of October, and then right now you should be long, because when I'm recording this here at the very beginning of December, so we go long because the market made its price turning point, and the indicator helps you. It helps you a little more magnified in very great detail. It tells you under which condition to go short here, where to exit, and what price move to trade for. Here it was a price move of $8.01 to the downside, and with the right strategy on hand you can even do that in your IRA, or here it also spelled out when to enter to the upside and when to exit. Here's the chart for XLK, the ETF for technology companies. What are technology companies? This would be like Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, and I can pick a chart too, maybe Microsoft, to demonstrate how you find key price turning points. So you saw here at the mid of September, short in technology, then here at mid of October, long in technology, and long right now because that chart goes into the upside direction. That's where we find ourselves, and you were able to follow those crucial price turning points in your investment with the help of our indicator. If you wanted to trade a best-in-class of technology stock like Microsoft, the indicator works for you too. You see here crucial price turning point beginning of August, September, end of September, and right now there was no initiation because the stock didn't have a signal. But there were plenty of opportunities for you to go long or to go short with the underlying stock, and with the right strategy on hand, even in an IRA, you can follow the price direction to the downside. XME is an ETF for metals and mining, and you see here 5 opportunities to invest in XME. Long, short, long, not confirmed, and long again. So why is that not confirmed? Look, here we were spelling out a price threshold. go short when the price drops below $44.17 in the next candle. This didn't happen, so this trade didn't come forward, but the others were fulfilled in their condition and led to a trade to the upside where you always knew when to enter and when to exit. If you want to trade ETFs more frequently, you best combine the new indicator together with one of the never lost trading systems here, trend catching. And what I'm going to do, I guide you through, and you see how the two systems will supplement each other and helping you for a higher participation rate. We go left to right and we find the first trade situation here. Sell, same conditions as I explained before, and here was the target. So that worked. Yep. Does not always work with high probability. Number two, you saw here, entry, yeah, came through, came home. That worked too. This one worked. The trade to the downside was fulfilled and came to its target. The next one worked too. Then we have one situation where we have no trade. Why? The price didn't drop to the price threshold. The next one failed. The next one worked again. This one failed. Yeah, there's failures too. But you will see in 10 opportunities we brought 7 home, and that is what we call high probability trading. We hope we triggered your interest, and we offer you a year-end special. Talk to us or write us an email to contact@neverlosttrading.com. Either you want to have the ETF PDF, yeah, funny, so you can see everything we expressed here in a writing form, so that gives you a little more time for analyzing what we say and how it works on the chart for you. And we are happy to work together with you in a little demonstration where you can see live how our indicators spell out these investment opportunities on the chart for you, so that you can let the chart tell when to buy or sell. We are more than 10 years in business. We work one-on-one with our clients for training and coaching. We base our decision on algorithms that spell out institutional money moves, and if that is for you, contact the Never Lost Trading demo or contact the Never Lost Trading ETF PDF for the write-up. Thank you very much for your attention. We are looking forward to hearing back from you.